I am Kevin Sahol, a first-year student of Bohol Island State University. Today, I will be conducting a short interview about the factors that favor the growth of tourism and hospitality. Based on your experience as a practitioner in this industry, this interview will only take a few minutes. Thank you for taking the time to participate in this interview. So, here's the first question. Can you please introduce yourself and tell us your role in the tourism or hospitality industry?
Okay, good afternoon. This is Mylene Berna Soya. I am 26 years old, residing in Bohol, Gonoleng, Kandihay, Bohol. I am graduated in Bohol Island State University, Kandihay campus. And as of now, I am working here in Hotel 50 Ipilhagna, Bohol as a front office. My role is, as a front office, is to create positive and welcoming a seamless experience for guests. And as a front office also, we greet patrons warmly and manage check-ins or reservations, answer some guests' questions, and provide local recommendations, and resolve clients' issues and compliance quickly with a positive attitudes. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you for your wonderful answer. So, here's the second question. Based on your experience, what are the three factors that have helped the tourism and hospitality industry grow the most, and why?
For me, the three factors that drive most growth in tourism and hospitality are to improve infrastructure, digital technology, and support government policy. It's because I know it. About for the improved infrastructure, it makes us easy for travelers to reach and enjoy destinations. And for also to digital technology, it changes how people discover, book, and experience travel. And most especially the government support and sustainability. It's also important because to create and actions a safe and welcoming environment for tourism and business to drive through. Thank you.
Good. So, here's the third question. What advice can you give to students who want to work in the tourism and hospitality industry?
I can advise to the student, hospitality management can be wide and varied depending on what you want to pursue in the long run for yourself, your career. You're always a good ideal to always start to a small and always be willing to work hard. Show up and be responsible always, diligent and be diligent. Be responsible and outgoing and willing to participate with the guests or customers. Be involved in what you are doing to learn and learn to give, even it means continuing your education along the way of your journey, as it's never too late to learn something new. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.